Hello and welcome. You are watching India Today So South and I am Afreen Hussain. Opposition parties in Tamil Nadu have expressed their doubts over the police encounter of a key accused, Thiruvenkadam, in Chennai on July 14th in the murder case of Bahujan Samaj Party state chief Armstrong. The opposition's response comes hours after murder accused 33-year-old Thiruvenkadam, who is a history sheeter, was taken to a hideout where he claimed he stashed the weapons used for the Armstrong murder near Madhavaram, Chennai at around 5:30 a.m. today. That is Sunday, July 14. In a statement on X, Tamil Nadu BJP state chief Annamalai wrote, Thiruvenkadam, who surrendered in connection with the murder of Armstrong, BSP state leader, has been shot dead in an encounter by the Tamil Nadu police today. The police claim he was shot while trying to escape. Annamalai questioned the credibility of the police's narrative, stating, it raises serious doubts that a person who surrendered in a murder case would attempt to escape. Given that three DMK members are involved in the brutal murder of Armstrong, it appears efforts are being made to conceal some truth. There are also concerns about whether the Armstrong murder case is being investigated properly. Now, Annamalai also urged for a thorough investigation into the encounter by senior police officials. He emphasized the need for a fair and swift investigation into the murder of Armstrong, calling on the DMK government to ensure justice. He added, the encounter killing of Thiruvenkadam by the police must be investigated properly by senior officials. Additionally, I urge the DMK government to ensure that the investigation into Armstrong's brutal murder is conducted justly. Now, all of this Annamalai took to X and wrote it down there in a tweet. Besides Annamalai, General Secretary of AIADMK and Leader of Opposition Edappadi Palaniswamy also took to X and said that the killing of Thiruvenkadam, one of the 11 persons involved in the murder case of Armstrong, in a police firing incident looks suspicious as the police team seems to have not taken adequate security measures before taking a murder accused to his possible hideout. While addressing media persons, this is what Palaniswamy had to say. Let's listen in.
இந்த சுட்டுக் கொல்லப்பட்ட நபர் திருவேங்கடம் என்று கருதுகிறேன். அவர் சரணடைந்திருக்கின்றார். இப்படி சரணடைந்தவரை வேகமாக அதிகாலையிலேயே அவரை அழைத்து சென்றதாக இந்த ஊடகத்திலே நான் பார்த்து தெரிந்து கொண்டேன். ஊடக செய்தி, அந்த செய்தியின் வழியாக நான் அறிந்து கொண்டது, ஏன் அவசரமாக அவரை அழைத்து கொண்டு அங்கே சென்று அவர் மறைத்து வைத்திருந்த ஆயுதத்தை கைப்பற்றுவதற்காக அழைத்து சென்றதாக சொல்கிறார். அப்படி அழைத்து சென்றவர்களை கைவிலங்குக்கு தான் அழைத்து செல்ல வேண்டும். ஒரு கொலை குற்றவாளி அப்படித்தான் கைது செய்யப்பட வேண்டும் என்று விதி இருப்பதாக வழக்கறிஞர் சொல்கிறார்கள். அப்படி இருக்கின்ற பொழுது பாதுகாப்போடு சென்றிருக்க வேண்டும். அவர்கள் எங்கே அந்த ஆயுதத்தை மறைத்து இருக்கிறார்களோ அந்த ஆயுதத்தை கைப்பற்றுகின்ற பொழுது இப்படிப்பட்ட சம்பவம் நடைபெற்றதாக சொல்கிறார்கள். இதில் ஏதோ சந்தேகம் இருப்பதாக தெரிகிறது. ஏற்கனவே ஆம்ஸ்ட்ராங் குடும்பத்தினர் இந்த கைது செய்யப்பட்டவர்கள் மீது சந்தேகம் அடைந்திருக்கிறார்கள். உண்மை குற்றவாளி கண்டுபிடிக்கவில்லை என்று அவருடைய ஆம்ஸ்ட்ராங்குடைய உறவினர்களும் அவருடைய கட்சி நிர்வாகிகளும் தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றார்கள். அந்த வேளையில் இப்படிப்பட்ட சம்பவம் நடைபெற்றது மேலும் சந்தேகத்தை கிளப்பியிருக்கிறது என்பதுதான் என்னுடைய கருத்து.
Palaniswamy, while addressing the media, said that there are certain standard procedures that need to be followed while taking accused out of custody. Handcuffs of the accused and an adequate police team in such an operation are among them. He said that based on media reports, it seems that the police firing incident shows that these standard procedures were not adhered to by the police. Also, the slain accused had himself surrendered to the police after the murder. With all these events in the backdrop, the incident, that is the police firing, looks suspicious. He also said that, in fact, the family members of Armstrong and his BSP cadres were demanding the state government to arrest people who are truly behind the murder. Also, what was the urgency of the police to take the murder accused early in the day to his hideout without proper security measures in the place? Now, Palaniswamy was seen questioning this while addressing the media. Now, Tamil Nadu Congress MP Karti Chidambaram was also one amongst the many opposition leaders who questioned and raised doubts about the suspicious encounter of the murder accused in Armstrong case. Karti Chidambaram went on to say that extrajudicial encounter killing was not good policing. He also said that this was contract killing in uniform. That's it for now. For more such updates, keep watching our channel. This is Afreen Hussain and you are watching India Today So South.